Hello, my name is Michel Brokke and I teach research and design within the hotel management program.
Hi, my name is Jelani Simmons. I am in my third year of studies in hotel management.
Breda University of Applied Sciences is a medium-sized higher education institute in Breda. Some over 7,000 students from about 80 countries are studying here at BUas. At our beautiful campus we offer professional and academic bachelor's and master programs in the following domains. We prepare students for management level positions in an international setting. We work together with leading institutes and partners from all over the world. As a result, there are many opportunities for student exchanges and international internships. In this video, we will be talking about hotel management and hotel managers. Yet, in our program, we educate for a broader context than just hotels. When you graduate in hotel management, you can lead the organization of any hospitality business anywhere around the world. Therefore, we help you to develop an international mindset, but also a sharp eye for detail, because a hotel manager takes care of guests with high expectations. That is also the reason why we work on various of your social skills, so you can excellently engage with guests and the employees whom you will manage. All of that happens with a focus on creativity and sustainability. This means that you will get plenty of freedom to develop new hospitality experiences, which are good for the well-being of people and the planet. Your first year is divided into 2 semesters. Each semester you complete your courses or projects with a final deliverable. That can be a presentation, an exam, a report or a video. The first 1.5 years you will mainly spend on our beautiful campus right here in Breda. You will have courses like operations management, marketing, research and design and many more. You will also put quite some effort into your self-development through our management development program. Not only professionally, but also personally. The second part of your studies consists of a 6-month international placement and different projects that prepare you for your final graduation project, the bachelor thesis. Then languages. You can only be selected for the hotel management program with a minimum of 2 foreign languages. But of course, you will also have language classes here with us. Our practical courses are taught at our learning company, which is called Sibilicious. This learning company has a restaurant, a kitchen, a visitor center, banqueting services and various other catering outlets. Here you will gain hands-on experience and practice everything you've learned in class. Now, learning doesn't only happen here at school. That's why you will visit hotels in the Netherlands, take part in various study trips in and outside the Netherlands, and you will work on real-life projects for hospitality businesses. Jelani is in his 3rd year. Let's see how he experienced the first years here at BUas.
My first 1.5 years here were an interesting and fun journey. The school organizes lots of fun activities. I got to know my new best friends and also created lifelong memories. I meet my coach every 2 to 3 weeks for advice or just to talk about how my studies are going. She knows who I am and she also knows my talents. I always find it a great opportunity to meet up with my coach because she is able to give me that soft or hard push to walk that extra mile with my schoolwork. But not only my coach knows me, because of small-scale education at BUas, you cannot study under the radar here. And because of that small-scale education, you easily meet and make new friends. I've also met lots of people through the student association Xenia. The campus is not only an inspiring place to study, but also a great place to hang out with your friends. But likely, you will also hang out in the city of Breda, which has lots to offer in terms of bars, cinemas, theaters, many festivals, and also some free ones. Mitchell already mentioned Sibilicious. While working at Sibilicious really opened my eyes to every aspect of hospitality. And you know what? I really enjoyed working at the restaurant, kitchen, catering outlet, and visitor center. Prior to Sibilicious, I was taught in the classroom before, but during those weeks, it all made sense. It is what they call learning by doing practical work. I also enjoyed working with my fellow students. I got to know them in a different and professional manner. I finished my first year and will start my work placement in spring. At BUas Hotel Management Program, it is mandatory to do an international work placement, so I'm off to Dubai in a few months.
Before deciding what to study, think of what makes your heart beat a little faster. What makes you jump out of the bed in the morning? In other words, do you like, for example, to take care of people or to travel to other countries? With a degree in hotel management, you can become a manager in an international hospitality business, such as a restaurant, a resort, catering company, or any other service-minded business. We have graduates from all around the world. You will meet them when you're here, because many of them return to BUas as a guest lecturer, an assessor, or even a coach. When I think of some of our graduates, I think, for example, of a student who is now a general manager at a chain of restaurants in the Netherlands, and another former student who has become commercial manager at the Hilton Hotel in Hong Kong. When studying, he already took part in our special program in cooperation with Hilton, which is called the Hilton Class. During our entire program, you can find out what you like and specialize in that direction. Whether you would like to be employed by a big hotel chain or rather start up your own business, we will help you get there. After you complete your bachelor's in hotel management, you can also decide to continue studying, for example, by studying a master here or at any other university. Depending on your prior education, you will have to meet some requirements. Best to check those on the website. To be sure what to consider and what we expect from you, it is important to inform yourself properly. For instance, students with a Dutch diploma need to show proficiency in the English language, plus one other language, which could be either French, German or Spanish. But if you are an applicant with a non-Dutch educational background, you must prove your English proficiency through a TOEFL or IELTS test. If you had education at a native English school, then other requirements might apply to you. Therefore, it is important to look at our website to see what exactly applies to you. If you want to enroll for the hotel management program, please remember that there is a selection procedure. We have a limited amount of 200 places per year and select all our students. The procedure starts with registration in StudyLink. If you are a non-Dutch applicant, you will be asked to upload a set of documents, which is a CV, a motivation letter, and a recent list of grades. We will also ask for a personal video message in which you explain and convince us why you want to study hotel management at Breda University of Applied Sciences. A Dutch student needs to upload the same set of documents, and a Dutch student must join a selection day in person here in Breda. During this day, you present yourself through a personal pitch in which you convince us why you want to join our study program. Please ensure you submit your application before the deadline, which is the 1st of May. But I have a very good tip for you. We have selection days much earlier, so we recommend you start your application whenever you're ready. The sooner, the better, because the earlier you apply, the sooner you know the outcome of your selection procedure. Now I can hear you thinking, what else can I do to find out if BUas and hotel management are the right program for me? Well, come to our campus for an open day or register for an on-campus orientation day. And if you cannot visit us right here in real life, we also offer online open days and a virtual campus tour. Should you still have any questions after all, then we have our students available for you in the chat for all kinds of questions. You can check it out on our website under the tab Meet Us to see all those options. So we know you have a lot of questions. Let's discuss a few of those. So Jelani, first of all, do you really have to speak 2 languages when you're studying here?
Yes, you will speak English and one other language, which is either French, German, Spanish, or Dutch from a non-Dutch applicant.
And how much does the program cost?
Well, that information can be found on the BUas website on the hotel management page. Remember that next to the tuition fee, there are costs for your uniform, books, practical tools, study trips, and business attire, which you will definitely need during all of your study years.
So, what do you have to do to get selected for this program?
Well, first of all, even thinking of hotels and hospitality should make you feel excited. Besides that, we are looking for students with a drive to perform, an international mindset. Earlier experience in hospitality would be brilliant. Good social and communicative skills, and a sufficient language level. That will be at least English or one other modern language.
And how many students does our hotel management program have?
Well, we have approximately 800 students, and we select about 200 students every year.
So, can a student apply for more hotel schools in the Netherlands?
Yes, that will be possible. You can apply at more than one Dutch hotel school, but we advise applying to 2 schools as each application will cost you quite some time in preparing and traveling. We hope that this webinar has answered many of your questions. However, you might still have a few questions we didn't tackle in this video.
In that case, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are here to help you find the study program that suits you best. And of course, Jelani and I hope that you will choose hotel management and that we will see you here next year at our campus in Breda.